Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro using application. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Now scroll down and go to additional settings. At the bottom we have Rename Earphones, and you need to tap at this button. Right here, write the best one for you, or you can also remove something or full this text, but I'm going to only add this text. The most important is to click Rename after you finish to save this new name. And now I just did it, so if we go back right here, as you can see, I have new name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.